Oh,
Gross.
It's a hot dog.
Yeah, I feed them to the dogs.
LBD. Little
it's all the
boys.
stuff they scrape off the floor that they can't use. Then they mince it and whip it up. It's whipped
Yeah, it's
meat.
everything. Guts, you name it.
Yeah.
That's alright.
I eat corned beef though, and that's fucking like heart and fucking offal and.
Yeah, we got one in the freezer that looks
Corned
like
beef.
No, I don't think it's
isn't that just beef that's done in...
Corned beef? Nah, like the corned beef in the can.
Oh,
Bully beef.
With the jelly.
Yeah, I
The
eat that
jelly
all the
stuff.
time.
Oh, fuck off, Kazam. Nah.
My Greek mate used to make it. He used to put bread in it.
Yeah, I chop up tomatoes, garlic, onion, potatoes, and then I fry it all up, man. It's fucking nice. You mix it up with rice.
Is that like spam in a can or like?
Yeah, it's like, it looks like spam in a
Nah.
can, but it's corned beef.
Yeah, but it's much better.
That's mad. It's so
White
good.
sauce.
Nah, you're
I actually
thinking of
don't
the
mind
other
spam.
corned beef. Yeah, it's not good for you, but it tastes so good.
It
I've
does.
had spam only once, but I didn't mind
Spam
it.
and eggs, man. So good.
No, see,
Had it on Moda.
The Monty Python song. Spam, 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 spam. That one, you know? No? No.
Wait, my headphones went weird. How's it go?
Sorry, I didn't have my